On a recent trip to Dollar Tree, I realized that there's so many wonderful items currently for the Christmas season, and I wanted to bring you along and kind of show you what my top 13 items that I believe you should be on the search for and purchase. So let's get started. First one is these beautiful stockings. I think they have really stepped it up this year. They have a huge variety of characters and just even some glam ones with some glitter. I just think they're so fun, so beautiful. They can be used, of course, in your decor. They can also serve as gift bags. Instead of buying a gift bag, you could just put a gift as a stocking stuffer. These would be beautiful. Second item are these huge bows. They have a huge selection currently, from buffalo check to glittery to just plaid. I mean, just whatever you are looking for, they have available. This is another one of those items that you can use for decor as well as gift wrapping, of course. Look at all the selection they have. I think it's absolutely stunning. I love them. In that same section, I found these beautiful and very sturdy wreath hooks. I actually grabbed a red one myself and I brought it home and I placed it right on my front door. It is perfect length. It is very durable and it hung perfectly. For $1.25, I think it's a pretty good deal. What do you think? For item number 4 are these beautiful socks. I know you've heard me say it before. They have really good quality socks, in my opinion. These Christmas themed ones are stunning. I think they'd be so much fun for a pajama night or to give as a gift. And don't forget that they have a section with cozy ones as well. Maybe not as Christmas themed, but still would make a great gift for winter, for kids, and of course adults. So grab them. For the fifth item are these beautiful clear plastic ornaments. I recently did a DIY using one of the larger ones and I created this lighted snow globe, and I just thought it's just so versatile. They have different sizes, different shapes. Like this one's a little bit more on the oval, and I just love that they are so inexpensive. They can be used for craft to do with the kiddos or for just your own decor. I just love the versatility of them. I always grab a few when I'm there. I suggest you grab some as well. Look at this beautiful different one. This would be a great one for a snow globe as well because it already has that flat bottom. For the sixth one is the kitchen items. I love their kitchen items for Christmas. They are so festive, and there's just $1.25, and I know it went up from $1, but I think some of these items are still very good quality for the price. I am so loving all of the designs, farmhouse style, gnomes, poinsettias, you name it, they have it. I actually love this very Christmassy tree one and this farmhouse barn and truck one. I'm going to take one towel as well as a mitten, and I'm going to take them home with me because one, I want it for myself, and two, I want to show you how you can turn this into a very festive and very cute either stocking stuffer or just a general gift from maybe a teacher or a friend, maybe an unexpected gift that you can give someone. Just use some ribbon after you fold the items in half, crisscross it in the bottom, flip it over to the top, and make a very simple bow. This will make it very festive, very appropriate as a gift, but not too much work. I decided to add a little greenery pick right inside in between the ribbon and the towel, and I just think it turned out so adorable. I love these items. Make sure you grab them. And while you are in the kitchen area, don't forget to take a look down in the bottom. You'll find these beautiful carpets. They are on the thin side, but they have beautiful designs and you can always layer them and they'll be beautiful. For the seventh item are these chargers. These are beautiful. They're large. The red color one are beautiful, and there's a golden one too. And I just saw for the first time that they have a faux wooden gray and white one. Stunning. I brought a red one home, and I'm going to show you what a beautiful place setting it would create with just a simple few items like the charger, a plate, and then a napkin that I DIY'd on a recent video. How beautiful is that? For the eighth item on my list is the entire section of gift wrapping. They go above and beyond at Dollar Tree. The selection is stunning. They have these little labels and of course the wrapping paper, which is awesome for gift wrapping, of course. And recently I have made so many beautiful Christmas crafts using their wrapping paper. So yeah, you can use them for that as well. The selections are stunning. The gift bags are awesome. They're so fun. They come come in different sizes and they're just so beautiful. And for $1.25, take a look at this huge bag. It is so big. I've never seen them this big at Dollar Tree, but let me know if you have, because I have not. They have some of these giant gift bags as well. These are more like little trash cans looking ones, but they're beautifully designed and you can place huge gifts in them. What a great find. And of course, they have some other designs, these textured ones in silver and gold. They also have just some beautifully designed gift bags. These are definitely a must, as well as these gift boxes. These are the larger ones and they come 2 in a pack and they have 2 different designs. How cute is that? I love these because if you're not a fan or you're in a rush and you can't wrap, these will be perfect. Item number 9 are these huge pine cones that I found. I have never seen them at Dollar Tree. You're going to have to let me know if you've seen these. They have red and natural tone ones. I only found one of the natural tones. I definitely grabbed a few. And stay tuned because I have a DIY coming with them. For item number 10 are the lighted section. Oh, goodness gracious. These are stunning. I love these new little suction cup light designs. They have snowman and stars and Santa. Recently, I took a star one and I created this wreath and I added it right onto it. It is beautiful. The possibilities are endless with these designs. They also have these little tree toppers that light up. I think they're super cute for smaller trees or for tabletop trees. How cute is that? And of course, we cannot forget the LED string lights. They have a huge selection. I love the ones that are clear, but they come in different colors and designs. And I even found some icicle ones, which I have never seen before. How fun would it be to create some crafts with these? I love them. And I found these projector LED lights. How fun would these be for like a kid's bedroom? I love these. And of course, we cannot forget my item number 11, which is string lights. I think these are a pretty good deal if you can find them. I know they go really fast. I took several home and I use them for my little rustic trees in my entryway. What I love doing with these is I like wrapping them around the trunk area, not around the bristles. That way it's just going to have a little bit more of a natural look to them and very simple. And I love the way they just light up on my entryway. Item number 12 are these beautiful placemats. I love these. They're fabric. The designs are just stunning, so festive. I love that rustic joy one on the left bottom. I think this would be great for crafts, but I think they would look beautiful in a dining table. And item number 13 are these beautiful Santa themed chair covers. I have never seen these before. If you have, let me know down in the comments. I took 4 of them home and I got right onto it. I think they look great in my dining room table. They fit perfectly. You just basically slide them on and then you give it a little tug upwards and just kind of fold the little Santa hat down. I think they're adorable. I still need to put a centerpiece on my dining room table, but it's already looking so festive and I love it. This is it, my friends. You're going to have to let me know what you think. Which one of these items are your favorite and which one do you want to go on the hunt for? I have another DIY video here for you if you want to check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.